You can get notified next time I go live. I mean, next time I go, next time I drop a video. But I'm just the comment section and badge me and how we can make it perfect match and things. Guys. Hey yo, what's up in YouTube? It is your boy Kamukela Patrick, and I'm back with another video. And yeah guys, please make sure you subscribe and like, comment, share this on this video so you can get notified next time I go live. I mean, next time I drop a video. But you subscribe, please. Please subscribe. So yes guys, today basically I'm gonna be asking her how is life, you know what I'm saying, so far, you understand. So she's gonna be asking me 2 questions, you understand guys. So yes, some questions that you want to know about me, maybe they are related to what you wanted to ask before. So today is the day guys, so go first.
Okay. Hello guys, my name is Nomtigela Zulu. I'm going to be joining you today from Kamukhelo. So we're going to be asking each other about life. So how is KZN treating you so far?
KZN so far guys, I mean, I've met so many wonderful people and they are too genuine. I mean, they have good hearts and they can accept a person, welcome a person, you know what I'm saying, in the best manner and a way, and yeah, appreciate it a lot to KZN people. Shout out to you guys, and yeah.
That's nice.
Yes.
That's nice. You can ask me anything.
So, how do you want to prove, like, about the wrong the way you think they see you and stuff? Like, or do you want to prove people wrong that how the way they see you and stuff? Oh
yeah. By my side, I don't usually prove people wrong because I know myself when I'm wrong.
yes.
And I know when I'm being blamed from somewhere. So I don't care about people most of the times.
Positive ways.
Yeah, I don't care because I know they can gossip, but they won't tell me directly.
Yes.
You know. So I don't just care. Just do my thing and get away with it. Nothing much.
Positive guys.
Yeah.
So what do you want to achieve in life?
Oh.
What do you want to achieve in life? The goals.
Kuningi, brah. Yo, kuningi.
And still imagine you're still young and
Yeah.
fresh.
I still have visions and it. Still wanna explore, Still wanna do stuff. Yeah. Still wanna do stuff I haven't done. I still have a bucket list, a long bucket list.
Yeah.
Long. Jay, I'm still young,
Not
so
to cry.
I'm fit. Yo. So I still wanna do more, So yeah, I can say I got more than what you think.
Yeah.
So whether do you have a bucket list?
Yeah, I can say, Nash, yes, guys, I do have something like that.
Are they comfortable?
It's not something I'd like to show people somehow yet. Before I achieve my, like, whatever I want to, you know what I'm saying, achieve or something and stuff. So I want to
Yeah.
first do them. So and then so now I can share them with people.
Or you
how-
want to talk with achievements? So you're a guy who, okay.
So that's how it is for my side. Because I can't talk with something I've never.
But having a
Experience
bucket
before.
list, is it's like having a wish.
Oh, guys, okay, I want a car. That's all I can say. How I can get it, I do not know, but for sure, I will get a car. I want a car.
Okay,
Somehow.
never mind.
People donate. Donate for Kamukaino so he can get his car, man. At any young age. You know what I'm saying? So make sure, guys, donate. Make sure, guys, donate for Kamukaino for tricks. And yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Make sure, yeah, guys, go subscribe on my Instagram. And yeah. So you can get so you can see next time when I drop a video. So yes, guys.
Okay, Kamchen. Since you want a car, do you know how to drive?
Yes, I do. I'll show you the video, guys. I can drive. But
You can.
immediately, if you guys donate for me, you know what I'm saying? So donate, guys, so I can get a car, and then after, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
We can't donate with my license.
I will get one, miss. Even though I'll drive local or
So-
get a Lenas, guys, you see? Yeah, get a Lenas
Okay, Kamchen.
first. Because when you have to get a Lenas first, and then.
It's fine. It's fine. Guys, please donate. Please. Please.
So we can get a car.
Please.
This life of Mautwan.
It's
Come
his
on.
wish.
So what do you want?
Oh. I mean, mine, it's more fantasy.
What's
It's
that?
more like fantasy.
Yeah.
No, I want to have a house near a river. No, Jay. Ngingabi nawo makhelwane.
Yeah. Why?
Jay,
Why?
mine is fantasy, but one day, at
No.
least, just once a week, ngiyivisithe leyo ndlu least noma ngihlale kuyona-ke once
Yeah.
kodwa mine is more like fantasy. Peace of mind. For me, peace of mind. Did you
With no neighbors, guys.
Yeah, no neighbors, just me and the
Sometimes.
trees
Somehow it's
and
sometimes.
the water flowing,
Mm.
watching the sunset, the
On the
moon.
balcony.
Yabo?
On the balcony.
Ah,
So,
something quiet. Hindi lang. Dapat manja something. Kuma suburb. Nah.
Afuna masabab.
Need peace. Jay.
But there
The
is
body-
peace, guys, at suburbs because like it's too quiet and stuff.
Yeah, it is quiet, but
It's quiet. Kids play in their houses and stuff. It's good. That's
Yeah.
you know, your future boyfriend.
future boyfriend. There is nothing such as that.
Such as future boyfriend.
Yeah.
Future husband or what?
Yeah.
future husband.
Kodwa phela maye khona ku-future boyfriend bomshado ongawubeyelanga it's fine. Yeah, ngoba it's not like soshada sonke emhlabeni yabo. Yeah. So futhi-ke mina ukushada it's not my thing.
It's not your thing.
Yeah.
But it is my thing.
It is your thing. Me and you are two different people here. Different.
But it is my thing, guys.
Your thing. Me nah.
I see myself as marrying a girl, guys.
What kind?
Mara no figure my pupil, guys. Like, guys, you never understand. It's fine. It's fine.
Uyamphupha.
Inokufika emaphupeni.
Shame. Yo.
Umkhulu wami kwangiphupha ngilethe umakoti ekhaya. So guys, I think somehow
Oh, sure. Manje wena uzibona ushada? Sure.
I'll marry one day, guys.
Hayi mina bayongixosha ekuseni shame.
Ngoba
bayongixosha mina.
but ekhaya ngeke baxoshe.
Yo.
Ekhaya ngeke baxoshe.
Ekhaya kini. Angeke bangixoshe ngoba
Ne?
angeke bangixoshe ngoba.
Ngeke baxoshe.
Bengangixosha yazi.
Baxoshelana.
Bengangixosha.
Uthandwa yini?
Phela ngithi masuwumakoti kusuke sekukuthi balindele something kuwena kumele wenze izinto ebezenziwe umama wakhona kulowo muzi lowo sibakhona.
Wena.
Yes. As a wife.
Phela ngihlala ekhaya nje.
Oh. Hayibo kanti umina yini lo makoti?
Umakoti uzohlala kwami.
Mina ngeke ngishade mina. Hawu.
Why?
Angeke ngishade mina. If umuntu efuna maybe ukuthi mhlambe kube ukuthi uyaziwa mhlambe engangi-engage ahlale for 100 years nokumele hayi ukuthi shade. What?
So guys, please comment below the comment section and bet me and how we can make a perfect couple, perfect matching thing.
Nah. It's a no for me. I'm a friends wakho now. Obviously the favorite show.
Okay, why? Why am I not?
They're your people.
Okay, why?
So
why?
if ufuna big support, surely support here for sure is all yours. So nah guys, ngingaqali. I namhlanje. Mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga.
Guys, I know Muslim which why I'm on Marabayang phone all along. Guys, it's hard to say.
Nini?
Manje something.
Ngakufuna
Angazi noma sesewenze njani.
kokwenzakaleni. Wawutheni wena ngizakufuna? Wawutheni?
Ngathi kuthiwa. Yini esho
Wawutheni wena ngize ngikufuna?
Ngathi qala ngiqale ngisho into noma zakalile safunana yabo. Azange sahamba kahle stuff.
Unamanga.
Manje seyangigabha.
Unamanga.
Okay, why?
Why what?
Like, guys, stop with the guys thing. Guys, angikhulile sengibunzile.
Yeah.
Like somehow like it hits different like when I get to think about it. Like when I get to think about it, like you hit different in my heart, something inside and stuff.
Yes.
Do you understand that feeling which like I need to go out job? Like
yeah.
Like
It's a
shy somehow.
Ah. It's normal.
Yeah?
Normal.
But you must go normal.
Normal.
But like no somehow.
Then don't
it's
think.
Not normal.
Then don't think.
Like I was normal it's different. No.
Okay. If ut akukho normal, uya kwi-therapist. If ungasekho normal sekubeyond normal,
Yeah.
udinga i-therapist. Buka.
So uyangala wena. Uyangala.
Ngiyazani?
Uyangala.
Yini nokwala?
Uyangala.
Uyazi yini okwala umuntu?
Yini kwalo muntu? Yini.
Uyazi yini okwala umuntu? Uyazi yini okwala umuntu?
Yini.
Enye into leyo. Mina nawasidate.
Ngisenzani?
So angikwazi ukukwala.
Thini manje?
Ngithi mina ungasho ukuthi ngiyakwala. Because
Okay,
mina
ngithi.
asidate.
Okay, ngithi.
Yazi besingakhulumi ngathi kahle la. Yabo.
Ukhuluma ngani?
Besikhuluma ngokuthi wena usuzwa ama-feelings a-beyond normal adinga i-therapist, yabo.
I do want you somehow. Ngiyafuna somehow because I think she is the right one, guys, because she grew up in emakhaya, in rural areas, and I think she has that much respect. So that's why I chose her. That's why I chose you, because you can play that mother role thing on like him, you understand? Mother role and thing. You understand? Umuntu like umphathise ngathi ngumntanakho and stuff, ekubeni yabo. You guys are dating and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Unginakekele, anginakekele.
No.
Why?
Ngizokuphatha rough.
Why?
Ngizokuphatha nesimakhaya, yabo. Inisa. Yeah. Yabo, ngizokuqinisa. Ngiphathe soft njengobani waseGoli.
Ngigcina sangomeni manje.
No, like angithi khona ukuthi if udate nomjida wasekazi kumele ekuthe kanje, wasemasabhabhi kumele ekuthe kanje, umZulu yamazi umZulu kwamele ekuthe kanje. Yabo, ngizokushintsha ngikwenza umZulu manje. Khathele wena.
Ahle angisumZulu guys, ngitasho. Into sure like
angisho njalo. Ngithe mina ngizokuqinisa.
oh, anginanga guys. Anginanga. You see, on her side, on your side, guys, what you think? What are you guys thinking?
Kwamele ube.
She mustn't justify this. Tell her on the comment section to stop justifying facts.
I'm not.
She's justifying. Guys.
I'm not. I'm just saying, Gutinji, you have to be. Nothing much. How?
Can you be my girlfriend?
Maybe.
Do you tell me my girlfriend?
Maybe. Sazocabanga. Ukuthi ngizoba yini girlfriend yakho. Siyacabanga thina emakhaya wazi?
Fast. Cabanga fast nje nasi isikhathi ngemali.
Sazocabanga. Why nina guys ngangicabangisi vele? Yazi nabangicabangisa yabo? Ubani? Kumele
Yini nawe lana sasinandaba nawe yabo.
Phela okay, it's fine. Sazocabanga.
Can you be my girlfriend?
I'll think about it.
Why?
I need some time.
No, you don't
I
need
need
time.
time.
You don't need time. Like.
So then ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiqinisa kanjani, yabo?
Yeah?
So then ngizokwazi
Ngizoqinisa kahle ngesiphakathi.
Komele ngiplane phela. Komele ngiplane.
No, guys, there's nothing here to plan. I think don't plan an excuse kahle.
No, it's not an excuse, but it's compulsory ukuthi komele ngicabane ngayo. How? Manje nje sekuzoba ngathi ufuna wena prove point lokuthi vele.
I just want her to be my girlfriend.
Okay. To not prove a point lakho, you have to think about it.
kanti lama-point lawo ngicabanga ukuthi nginawo le-point eqanti kanti ithathani
Wena kumele ufunde ukuba umZulu oqinile nje cha kuphela.
angangifundisa
Maybe I won't hesitate. Maybe I won't even think about it. Yabo? Angithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi ufuna kwenzeka ngendlela yakho.
in
Ufuna kwenzeka ngendlela yakho nje.
in what
Ukuthi mina ngivume manje.
noma engcono senze ngendlela yakho ngoba
Yeah.
ngcono choose each kahle kahle asivumelane emi-one namhlanje ngemanje
If uzivumelana manje namhlanje angeke phela ize ile khona. Angeke ngisaqinisa kuzomele ngithathe khona nje.
kumele ngiqinise
Yabo?
uzongiqinisa sesiphakathi uzongiqinisa kusasa
Kusasa.
after sengivumile so after sengiqhumile
Oh, okay. Futhi uthe wena ngikwalile ni.
ungalile nje
Ngikwalile nini?
awungazi
Ngikwalile.
ngiqomile uyangiqoma
Ngikwala kanjani ngaqomanga ka?
okay uyangiqoma
Hayi nami ngitshengisa ngicabanga.
guys this is not how we do it this siyakhethe enye manje angithi ufuna ukungiqinisa manje ngiqinisa sesengakhombala kahle kahle angithi ngifuna leya side iside nami manje
Lipside la.
awufuna ulazi ngithembile ukuthi awungiqoma namhlanje
Uyangidimanda phela wena.
angani ufuna ukungiqinisa ufuna kahle kahle ungibona ngiqinile nami ngiyaqinisana manje
Okay, qinaye.
ngiqinisa namagama ami manje
Asingizwe
awungiqoma nje
awungiqoma. Awuceli.
angiceli
Oh,
nje
baby. Ngizonqaba phela. Hawu.
ngiqoma
Ngihlala.
mhlawumbe
Ngicabanga nje phela.
usho ini
Ngizocabanga ukuthi ngiyavuma ngoba intombi yakho noma cha.
awukho ucabanga namhlanje thina ngoba kudala kade mina nje
Pho?
uyangiqoma ngithi guys today is today and I'm namhlanje
How at least khona sobala.
how
At least yabo.
uyaphaka
At least khona sobala nkosana. Uyazama yena kufana. Shapha ukuthi kumele aqinise.
so I want you to know
Whatever.
hey yo guys, this is the end of the video and thanks for watching this far. Watching this far and yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for your attention and please subscribe and so that you can get notified the next time Kabukhelo Fredericks makes another video.
Yes. Next time I drop another video guys, please make sure you subscribe.
Bye.